Welcome, this is Sylvia. Previously, we've taken a peek inside lithium batteries and explored the key reasons for their dominance. Today, let's quickly dive into how lithium batteries degrade, even when they are not in use. Stick around for a few minutes and you'll discover tips to extend your battery's lifespan. The aging of the battery can be divided into two parts: calendar aging and cycle aging. First, let's see which behavior can cause this aging. This image shows commonly lithium battery degrades at different temperatures over a long storage period, about 9 to 10 months. The x-axis SOC in these graphs, it represents the amount of charge left in a battery. 100% means the battery is fully charged. By contrast, 0% SOC means the battery is completely discharged. The y-axis represents capacity, which is a very common used metric to indicate the lifetime of a battery. So a lower value of a capacity metric, it indicates a worse battery health condition. From the figure, each subplot denotes a type of lithium battery. Lines in three colors denote different storage temperatures. It can be concluded that different storage SOC or the storage temperatures can both lead to different speed of battery degradation. Such type of aging, which happens over time and depends on how the battery is stored, this is called calendar aging. Cycle aging is another category of battery degradation. You might be wondering, first, what exactly is a cycle? Cycle refers to a complete charge and discharge process. For example, using your phone from a full charge until it's completely drained, and then charging it back to 100%. This is one cycle. So cycle aging is about usage and how often the battery is charged and discharged. This image shows lithium batteries degrade with increasing cycles at three different temperatures. It can be noted that the battery degrades with the cycle use, and this is cycle aging. We can also notice that the degradation speed in cycle aging is influenced by the temperature. In the degradation experiment for this type of batteries, it is found that the battery have an extended lifespan at a higher operating temperatures. Additionally, the degradation speed can also influence the battery's degradation. This is another image, although it looks very similar with the previous one, but this is an experiment for another type of batteries. The last one is NCM, and this one is NCA battery. Of course, they are all lithium batteries. And you can see here the blue line, you see, the green line and the purple line, they are separately denote batteries are charged with a different charging rate. And the blue one is with the lowest charging rate. The purple one is with a 1C rate. The different charge rate means if you charge it with a higher rate, and your battery will be charged in a more fast way. But it is clear that the blue one with the lowest charging rate can be used with more times because it has more circles. This means the fast charging speed can speed up the aging of your battery, though it seems like provides you more time on road instead of waiting in the charging station. So after learn all about this, what can we use this experiment to help extend our battery's life? So here comes the first tip. Avoid deep discharge or deep charge. Try to keep the battery level, SOC level between 20% to 80% during your regular use. Do not fully discharge it or fully charge it. Tip 2. Minimize the use of fast charging, especially for daily charging needs. Although it looks like very convenient, very charming, but the fast charging will accelerate your battery's age. Tip 3. Avoid storage your battery at extreme temperatures conditions. EV batteries are sensitive to these conditions, and of course this will speed up your battery's aging. Maybe you'll consider, of course, your car has a thermal system, but they may not activate during storage conditions because no one power it. So consider to park your car in a good place. Tip 4. Avoid long-term storage. Try to use it frequently. Maybe 1 month, every 1 month. This is because if an EV is left unused for a long time, the battery will gradually lose charge, leading to calendar aging. Of course, it's also important now to store the battery at a very high charge level. So maybe keep it around 40% to 60% when storage it. Tip 5. Check your battery's health regularly. This, of course, can avoid some potential issues that you may not notice, and this can preventing some risks. So I hope you now have a clear picture, and hope you have now received some tips from this brief introduction. In the next video, we'll together do some more interesting things, like to DIY your own AI models. This will be implemented in a very easy way. So do not worry if you do not have any background about this. So see ya!